Hello viewers, we are going to see one IC engine problem. Okay, a four-cylinder, four-stroke spark ignition engine develops a maximum brake torque of 160 Newton meter at 3000 RPM. Calculate the engine displacement, bore and stroke. The brake mean effective pressure is at maximum engine torque point is 960 kilopascal. Okay, assume bore is equal to stroke. Okay, what is the solution? So we know that brake horsepower is equal to 2 pi nt into 60 into 1000. Okay, so putting the value, we will get the answer 50.26. Okay, then we also know that brake mean effective pressure is equal to brake horsepower into stroke volume n by 120 into stroke number of cylinder. Okay, so putting the value, okay, so eliminating 4, okay, what you will get 960 is equal to 50.26 into 5 by d cube into n by 120. Okay, so cross multiplying we will get d cube is equal to 50.26 120 divided by into 960 will come here. Okay, so d cube is equal to 6.666 and d is equal to 8.73 centimeter. Okay, since d is equal to L also is equal to 8.73 centimeter. Okay, thank you.